Hi everyone, this is Infi Desires Doodle, your number one place for doodles, calligraphy, DIY and hand lettering videos. Hi everybody, welcome back. I am Akanksha and this is Infi Desires Doodle. There are going to be a lot of bloopers today because I have come on camera after so long. So wish you all a very happy new year. I hope everybody is doing sound and safe. So for this year, I thought for my channel, I want to do something very special and let me know in the comments what do you think about this. So for the 12 months that we have, each month I am going to do one special doodle. So we are going to start this doodle series starting with January. That is for today's video. I am going to do adventure or travel doodles. I actually wanted to put this video out in the last week, but that couldn't happen. So like I said, we'll start a doodle series and in each month we'll do a different type of doodle and different kinds of doodle. So today we are starting with adventure doodles or travel doodles. I hope you like the video. Let's get started. So for January, I chose adventure because, we are so new and high on energy, on enthusiasm because the new year has started and we have like new vigor and lots of energy to do new stuff or try new things. So that is why I chose adventure theme or travel theme. This is where this is the month in which we plan so much for the year ahead. So also this could be a reminder that you should plan ahead your entire year and travel more, explore more and do the things that you like. So I have done many basic doodles in this. I like to go for camping. I want to try doing trekking this year and maybe an international trip, but given the COVID situation, I highly doubt. But taking the map, just going on. I started my new year with camping this time. If you haven't checked out my vlog, sort of, go check out. I will put the link in the description. So in this way you can make very simple doodles. मैंने यहाँ पे एकदम ऐसा स्टेप बाय स्टेप तो नहीं बट सिंपल वे में आपको दिखाया है what adventure or travel doodles you can do. Mountains है, hot air balloon है, then I have shown a camp, some trees, your passport and of course my favorite ice cream. So this is what we are basically going to do for the doodle theme of this doodle series. This is something I wanted to do for quite some time, a series like this very close to my heart, to try out new things for the channel and this is what I came up with and this is what I think would become very interesting, where we can try different kinds and different types of doodles. Do let me know what you think about it and बस फिर इसको color करके we are done for the day. Thank you very much. Thank you so much everybody for watching this channel and supporting my channel and showing so much love. And the best part, bloopers at the end of this video. Stay tuned. I am coming up with many more videos. Thank you. I am coming in front of the camera. Okay. There are going to be a lot of bloopers today because I have come on camera after so long and मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा क्या बात करूं. This is my 10th take and I'm still not getting doodle बोलने को. Okay, okay, let's get started. Adventure Doodle बोलने को नहीं आ रहा है. God, Doodle series, Doodle series, Doodle series. Okay. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this Doodle series, and don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Bye.